I'm gonna go ahead and start being uh, as focused as possible. So let me think about this because as it is currently constructed, oh yeah, that's another thing. As it's currently constructed, I don't have a like this is the home page, but like I want to I want to okay, I might as well change this. Where is that at? Oh, I'm closing this out for now. I'm going to work this around so that this hmm, this is a div that has oh, it was doing it. Okay. This in here. Mhm. Oh, whoops. Let's take that out. Okay. I'm not doing that. Where's the silhouette? What? What? I've been people saying use AI less all of a sudden. I'm kind of confused. Like, which one is it? Hold up, where is this at? To make our form of. Let me turn this music off. Hold up. Our form of generative. Been a series of experiments involving more than 4,500 participants. People who use LLMs to research everyday topics and produce less original. Oh, but I mean, okay. Question: Isn't Google basically a Reddit search engine nowadays? Basically, and isn't Reddit basically just all bots? Basically, but I proceed. The findings raise concerns about how people search and learn, says Wharton. It is like the Google effect on steroids, she says, in a nod to earlier research suggesting people tend to remember less when information is easy to look up. With LLM, she says, we're shifting even further away from active learning. This is using features like deep research or just quick searches because I think that's a big difference. It's not the best. I'd say there's a it's it, people that use deep research, I feel as though they're kind of the opposite of what this is saying. People that use like ChatGPT as a replacement for Google search are what this is talking about. But people that use deep research in features like that with Gemini and ChatGPT gain more understanding about a specific topic than they would with a regular Google search, I think. But I get the gist of what this person is saying. Basically, like the harder that the harder that information is to find, the more it stays with a person. Like I guess like the more interested you are in the deep, like the harder that you dig, the more the information stays with you. But I still, I still am on the side of using AI. Still, I don't know because as of recent, it seems like a lot of propaganda to like not use AI. But prior to this, it was more of like use AI as much as possible type of rhetoric and get like an understanding of what is this? Where is the emoji? Thank you. Okay. Actually, this isn't even going to be an this is going to be a button. Uh, mm, yes, but also would it read that? Wait, where is this at? Oh, oh, it doesn't even exist. When they discovered radium, for me, from that research, if you want to learn something, don't use an LLM. I feel like whether people like it or not, they're gonna be using LLMs, even if they know it or not. In the future, people are still gonna be using LLMs. I think it's more on the human to retain the information. And truly, like even if you do use Google search and you don't use ChatGPT or Gemini or Anthropic or anything, you're still using an LLM. So like I think I don't know. I think everybody just has different opinions on AI, but I'm more of an optimist than like someone that's pessimistic about it. And I take the onus on me to be the most efficient with it when people didn't know better. What is this? Vitamins that have radium in it? What? Cigarettes? Toothpaste? Didn't clocks have mercury in them? I know thermostats did, but didn't clocks have mercury in them? You okay, Chad? Oh, this is insane. I mean, that is kind of a cool feature. Don't you want glow in the dark stuff? Glow in the dark stuff? Especially like what in the 40s? Man, you were the coolest person that you knew. If you had glow in the dark clocks. What? Mm, let me figure out what to do with that. Yeah, let's do that. All right. Mm, on my home tab, should have a what? Like a sign in right here. Where's home at? Probably should. Oh, dashboard, dashboard, dashboard. Daily entry. Is that even like a URL anymore? Hmm. Oh. Huh. I guess I'll go ahead and just make this have a sign in there. Let's do that. But now I need to the docs. Weak sagging. What? I wonder, like, okay, were there deaths from this? I know that like fertility rates drop, but like, did people die? uh, do I have Do I have Angular Fire in here? So I do have Angular Fire. Cool, cool, cool. Um, hold on, for some reason my air isn't on. Hold up, I'll be right back. Chat, you're coming with me. If it doesn't get cooler in here, I'll probably turn on a fan because I don't want to drop my AC too much and then just have the whole place too cold. Disintegrating? Oh no. Oh. This is where's this at? In America? Yeah, New Hampshire? Okay, fine. Yeah, this is America. This is probably just more known because he is a. Yeah, that's the American healthcare system for you. Starting back in what, the 50s? 1927. Yep. They got started early. Mm, let's do quick start. Add it. And then in here, where do I put all of my stuff at? Aren't we already dumb? I'd say that we're already dumb. I mean, we're already having like debates on whether AI is good or not. So I say that we're already kind of already there. Mm, I wanna, I wanna go ahead and it's okay. It's in the config. Thank you. This is what I wanted. So add it and then off. Put that in there. What? What just happened? Environment. What are you talking about? I think I can close this out. Environment. This is basically my credentials. Wait a minute. Okay. I'm kind of already there. This coffee's already is already hidden. Um so I guess this wait a minute. It's acting like it's not imported yet. Yes, I would like to proceed. Now, let me go to my this 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 is where I get all of my stuff. Um, okay, I'm good now. I've been sneezing a lot lately. I think it's Chat's fault. No, it's not Chat's fault. I don't know why I'm sneezing a lot lately. I'm scared that like maybe one day, I'll develop an allergy to Chat. Wait a minute. I don't like this. Before, this was basically, uh, this is not what I wanted to do. Uh, uh, oops. Let's do off analytics, Firestore. Yes, yes, and yes. So, yes, yes, yes. What did I, what did I mess up? Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh, hello? Huh? What do you mean? Yes. Okay. Okay, I think we're good now. Oh, you saw that? Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. But that's possible though, right? People developing something like that. Immunologist. Wait. Is that a word? I've never heard of that before. Wait, is non-existent spelled like that a word? Ah, there we go. Gotcha. Gotcha. No takesy backsies. Nope. Nope. Kidding. But you learn something new every day. Thank you. Um, you should place inside a function call. Okay, fine. What just happened? What is this? No. Wait a minute. No. Is that a thing? Environment? No. Especially in a language with no rules for spelling at all. At all. I would hate to be somebody that is trying to learn English as a non-native speaking like person. Like English is unnecessarily difficult. Could put it in ENV file or a ENV file. Hold on. What's the name of your language? Like, what's the proper naming? Oh gosh, wait. Slovene? What? Oh gosh. Slovene? Hmm. I don't want to call it Slovenian and then be wrong. Like people say like speaking Chinese, but like speaking Chinese isn't a thing. This is how many dialects are? What the heck? I'm looking for the difficulty. Oh, aren't they? Oh, s- some so different you can't understand. I wish they had like the voice thing next to these, so I could hear how they're pronounced. This is cool. This is cool. Uh, it's a standard practice to use, okay, source environments. Just make that and then do that. Create this file if it doesn't exist. Instead of a .env file, environments, environment dot typescript. Let's just do that. And then update that so that just put that in there. Yes. Separate from your main. Oh, that's cool. So all stuff, development environment, and production environment. Ooh. Okay. So go ahead and use this, but while I'm here, put these in here. Oh, yes. True. That's weird. What is it called again? Okay. Okay. I'm trusting it. So let's go back here. Provide auth. Get auth. That's a thing. Does it have Firestore? No, not yet. Okay. Let me turn the music back on for me. Oops. There we go. Next, inject auth into your component. This is what I'm listening to currently. Currently, this song. Yes. In GC login. The Alchemist is a producer. Um, he doesn't rap. Well, he does rap, but he's a rap producer. But everyone on here raps over his beats. So let's call it that. Oops. Update the imports from import Firebase Auth to, huh? Oh, this must just be migration from like the other one. Cause I'm already doing that. Okay. Provide. I kind of don't want to do all that. Firebase app. Huh? Yeah, I kind of don't want to do that yet. Okay. Firebase and JSON. What did I use though? Hmm? Maybe I shouldn't import it in here. There we go. There we go. Where we at with it? There we go. Does it work? Cool. So if I change something in here, uh, oh, cool, it works. Okay. Mm, Let's try this out. Now, this dot, well, hold up. I have to build that out. I should probably make this, um, this is gonna be a form. This is another form. That. Yeah. Let's just try to figure. What? What is this? Let's try to figure this out. No. Um. How did I do this again here? Let's pull that up. Thank you. Take this. I don't think I have to take that on a knit, but this just simple. mm, Form builder. Okay. But form group is where? Form group. There we go. That's what I would use? Form control name is not ng model. Cool. Let's do that. And from there, login form. Login form is that. Yup. I need a getter. Uh, yeah, email that and that. So maybe because there's an imported. There we go. Both of these actually. Just copy the whole line and take it here. Common. I would like to import. I would like to import. Please let me. Thank you. Wait, what? Where's home at? Oh, Oh no. Okay. There we go. Are these not? Hold up. Thank you. Now let's take this. Oh. Intervene issue. I need to import this. I would like to import it from that on type auth. What? Interesting. I'm probably gonna get some more coffee, but this is actually interesting. Why am I not able to? Oh, wait. Maybe. No. No. I don't think I've ever implemented auth before. Subted. Yeah, she a baddie. That's why she called me daddy. Money. Whoa, yeah, I ain't bragging. Yeah, cause I'm having needing drugs. Me and I'm a fiend. I'm like trash. How would I import that? This auth. Wait. Inject auth. Hold up. No, that's not even the right thing. The right library or import. AI. Or you should use the standalone. What changed? All right, I had this in here. What? How did this work? Oh, that kind of makes sense. That kind of makes sense. My bad. Parentheses matter. And placement of auth matters. Okay. What happens if navbar? I have too many tabs open right now. Let me close all this stuff out. So like if I'm signed in, I went too far. But if I'm signed in, it's the there we go. Okay. There's a better way to do this that I'm just blanking on right now. So like, no. I want to make it so that if someone is signed in, just bare bones, just show like, I guess, the email. I don't know. Uh, Instead of this, where's the TypeScript file? I mean, have I want to make it so that if someone is signed in, to show their email instead of the profile button in the nav bar. Can you help me make that happen? Let me make this, take that context as well. Is this handling? Is handling that though? I'm gonna see what it does with what I just gave it, but I'm not sure if this is handling. Yes, they're signing in, but I'll see what happens whenever like refreshes happen or something like that. Oh, that's what I needed. Do I have auth service in my other app? Hold up. Come on, come on. I don't. I need to make something in here. Call off source app auth and then a file in here. Please. Dot service TypeScript. But also I'll actually take this entire file. Is that something I need to be doing? Fine. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It'll happen. It'll happen. So basically, what I need to do. Sign in as that. Okay. So this tracks the state of it. Okay. Just making sure. Just making sure. I'll be honest. This, as time goes on, this might be the album of the year. Just saying. It's either this or the Drake album. I don't know. But I'm leaning towards this. Ooh. I haven't listened to the new this album. I'll listen to it right now. I want to know what this is about. So basically, I'm taking all of that because this works. And this is a what? Observable? Where is this being used at? Auth state, basically. Just keeping, this is keeping track of it. So then at that point, uh, in here, I won't do that in here. Oh, actually, don't have to do that either. Um, oh, now it's raining where you are? Cool. It was raining all day today. Really? How about now? Okay. Sorry, I was a little bit off screen. But it was raining all day. Houston's kind of like that. It just decides to just rain whenever it wants to. What's up, Black Cat? You okay, chat? Cool. He says hello even though he's not paying attention. Mm, let's do like it says private. Okay, chat. Wait, not right there. Not my skin. Let's use the the cover. How about that? Good, cat. Good. Good. Okay. Router. Why does it say router? Oh, I don't want to do that. Wait, yeah, I don't want to do that. Does not exist. Let's go to the HTML. Log in error. Log. What? Oh, there really should be somewhere. Like there's a constructor. There should be somewhere where like the injections happen or something like that. I'm currently hating it right now. Well, no, I don't hate it. I'm actually kind of having fun, like developer fun. But what's up, Poggle? I'll say that my experience is, even though I struggle a lot more with Angular and building things out in Angular, I'd say that I'm having a better developer experience than using React, oddly enough, because it's something that I actually want to do. All right, wait, hold up. What? Um, I'm not one of those people that get mad at you if you call it React a framework or a library. I really don't care. React is whatever React is going to be. But I recommend everybody listen to this. Like 3 songs in. Okay, purpose. I'm doing this on purpose. You can't hear the music because I don't want to get like copyright strikes or anything. On your own time, just try this out. The artist in general, but this. Oh, Pink Cactus Cafe. Wait, hold up. I'll add it to the queue. Hold up. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, I kind of didn't define the genre. Sorry about that, but I like this kind of music. This one. There we go. Hmm. The thing is, he hasn't missed yet. But like, it's okay. Okay. The thing is, it's okay to like not have missed. But like each song on here is like amazing. And I'm scared that each song on here is gonna be absolutely amazing. I like the music I like, and that's all I can say on that. Facts. Wait. This one that's currently playing is 100 bats. But the other one is Death Comes from the Sky. These are really weird names. I can't really hear this one though. This song. Mm, Async. Sign in. So let's do this. This login error equals null. So from this form right here, I don't want to do that. Login, sign in. If that's what it's called, I just say this is good music. Like at that point, like once you get into like indie and like alternative music, you can't really put a genre on. Like you can try to put things into a box, but I feel like that's doing the music a disservice. Like you can only like give adjectives to it, but to try to define something as a certain thing, I don't know. I've been through that already, and it's tough to keep on trying to put people in the box when they're artists and art is art. Like art is genreless. Big fan of a group called Wallows. Is this is a generic categorization? True. Wallows. Hold up. I'll try. Oh snap! I saw Claro. Hold up. I'm playing that song. I saw the goat. Hold up. You got me. You had me at Claro. Um, check your credentials. So at that point, I'm calling this, and this is the only place where I'm doing this at. No, I haven't. I haven't seen 13 Reasons Why. I know that it's big and popular and stuff, but I haven't seen it. It's the main. Oh, cool. Wait. Oh, wait. Cause I'm wait. There's what's his name? The dude from Stranger Things. He makes music too. Hold up. What? And it was the weirdest thing. Is that the name of like his artist name? Hold up. The dude that was originally the cool dude, and then he turned into the lame dude. Um, that has a crush on the. It's been so long since I watched Stranger Things. I kind of, I grew up just like they did. I'm kind of Stranger Things out. I'm 28 already, so. Um, Stranger. Let's try that. Is that his name? Nope. What is it? What? What is his name? This is him. I'm trying to find his artist name. This is too difficult. Okay, I found it. Oh, he was right here the whole time, but I just didn't recognize him. Oh, yeah, I think I won't be listening to this anytime soon. But yeah, this is him. Um, I'm only seeing the newest season of Stranger Things. The older seasons were pretty good too. Let's not do that. Does that do anything? Cause I'm scared and I kind of want to focus right now. Er, what? 19. I sent a password reset to here. Please update. There we go. Oh no. Mm-mm. It's not happening. Is that it? Oh, it went to my spam, my trash. No. I want to choose my own. Let's do that. Okay, let's try it. Did it work? So it worked? Wait, that's a problem. Now I need to sign out. uh, hmm? Sorry. Okay. Now I need to sign out, but this isn't gonna be that. Firebase. Sign out. I might as well go ahead and put this here as well. Form button. No, click. Ace. Yeah. Let's go and make that a thing. Huh? Why does this never update properly? Mm. Let's do that. Fireship. Okay, question. Do you believe okay, what percentage of his videos do you think are AI generated at this point? No wrong answers. Okay. Okay, what makes you believe that? Like, how can you tell personally? Mm. Oh, because I didn't have any. Oh, it is up. Sorry. I'll never doubt you again. Angular. Update this. But I don't want to update it. How about that? This just made this completely disgusting. Yeah. Okay. That's more of an if his videos are AI generated. It would be those. It is still so. Hmm. I I'm in agreement. Yeah, me too. Me too. Me too. It's just that like now I s- I used to not skip any videos. Now I skip a few, and a few meaning like I have to be interested in the topic, like in the thumbnail, for me to actually watch the video at this point. Like before, he would be like a non-negotiable. Like I'll watch every video that he had. Now, mm, not so much. Fireship, Fireship.io. I think he goes by now. I don't know, but regardless, a staple in the developer YouTube sphere. And now, like, yes, on YouTube. And now, like, I feel like so many people copy him. I feel like whenever he was the only one that was doing what he was doing, like undefeated, undefeated, like Michael Jordan, like 6 championships, like in his prime. Now that everybody basically like copies him, and I don't watch the copycats anyways, but like
now that the niche has kind of been discovered, it's not as doesn't hit the same anymore. It doesn't hit the same. If you watch his recent videos, yes, you're gonna get the meh kind of impression. You can tell all that from the thumbnail. Dang, dang. Okay, all right. Another yeah. Okay, I'm not even gonna say inspired by him. People are blatantly just ripping him off. I'm not gonna call like any YouTubers out because it's like there's so many that are just blatantly ripping him off at this point. But like there's so like many YouTube channels that have just copied his entire style. I think it's worse now. Is this stealing from other repos? Yup. This is stealing. What does this look like? Can't they get well, never mind. They're Microsoft. They can't get sued for this. This is another one. All right, fine. Fine. Um wait a minute. Let's go to navbar again. So if I click on this, it's just a button that says close this. But which channel? His channel? Uh, huh? I want to see what you're talking about. Three years ago, you said? How? Here. Wait. Wait. Here. Like right here. What's up, Johnny? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I'd say the decline happened here. Yeah. Okay. So okay, we're in agreement, Black Cat. Yeah, it was like right here. Yeah, because this is the Zig video right here. It's really okay. It's really whenever like the AI craze happened. When it just started, that was when not that it was like a noticeable decline, but the run was over. Really? Nah, nah. Before they were still, it was banger after yeah. Mm-mm. Especially the 100-second videos. Ooh. Yeah, they had some magic to them. Yeah. But huh? Your host, what is your host? Like your ISP? Or your domain? Solid advice. Solid advice. I support that. Mm. How do I do an NGF? Div NGF span span NGF non-existent. How do I do this again? No, 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 no. Is logged in. Is there something in here that does that? No. E- Let's see if I can do this by hand. I'm not gonna do that. ngIf user, but problem solved unless it's been over. Oh no, that's not good. I just got a text message. Uh, Someone that I know, and I want to leak the information. But they asked, how why every time I watch your stream on Twitch, I get ads? Listen, I'm not running ads. I'm not. Amazon is just greedy. And guess what? I'm not seeing any kind of money from that. It's just Amazon just being greedy. If you buy something, oh, they asked what? Oh, they asked why every time I watch or I try to watch your stream on Twitch, I get ads. And this is why I advocate YouTube viewing. But granted, I have YouTube Premium, so I don't know what ads are on YouTube. But I don't have the Twitch Prime, Twitch. What is the Twitch one? I don't have that. So they're watching on mobile, so there aren't any ad blockers. But yes, I do have ad blockers on Twitch, and that's the reason why I don't pay for Twitch Premium or whatever. Twitch Turbo. That's the reason. And I feel like ad blockers on YouTube don't work. So that, and I mean, I watch too much YouTube on my phone, so it justifies YouTube Premium. I just watch it on my phone a lot, so that justifies YouTube Premium. And then also I get basically a music player, a music service too. So I'm perfectly fine with my however much. They could jack the price up on YouTube to like $80 a month. I don't care. I'm still paying for YouTube Premium. I don't care. YouTube has literally replaced TV for me. So they can make it YouTube TV prices. I, I'm good with that. Truly. I'm kind of to the point to where I just don't watch Twitch on my phone. That's why I don't. But I do watch Twitch on my TV. Yeah, it just makes more sense to have premium. But something is wrong with this public. Did that go away? Cool. Can I do that? So I can do that. Okay. I can wait. I can't do that. Is that a thing? Wait, that doesn't exist. Equals user. Is that how I do that? I also got lucky. Oh, cool. After getting an iPad, the ads were so hard to sit through. Yeah. And especially with the iPad, like the ads are like huge and like in your face. And it's like, I guess I just have to buy car insurance. Like, no. No. Truly, like the thing about YouTube Premium is it's a time saver. You don't have to sit through like the I haven't seen YouTube ads in years. So like I guess they up the ad time. You don't have to sit through like 30-second ads anymore. Or 15-second ads. I know on Twitch, they have like 90-second ads now. And that's why you need types. What type is that user? The type of user that uses my application. I can do that. That's not no, hold up, no. um I think it already has a type. No, it does not. So uh I won't have to put a type on here because it already has that. I haven't seen YouTube ads in a long time on my PC, but when I'm on another person's PC, I see the ads and I instantly yeah. Yeah. And I'm also thinking about like if I were to cancel my YouTube Premium subscription, like what would I like I don't I feel like life would be a whole lot more boring because I don't watch Netflix. The only other thing I would replace it with is like, and not that I would need to replace it with anything, but like if I were to replace it with anything, it would be Twitch. Like, but on my TV, that's the thing. I can always use an ad blocker on my PC. The thing is on other devices, my TV or my phone. Oh, that's a real thing. Ah man, Mr. Chicken was having the same problem. I wish I had an answer for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, YouTube is. Do I have a YouTube? That's my YouTube channel. I don't know why it does that. Like it just started doing that randomly. I think it's because I don't run ads. I truly think that's why. Like after so long of saying like, "Hey, you don't run ads, we're gonna make your stream quality like worse on purpose." Because I've seen people complain about like the YouTube player being like, "Don't use ad blockers." I didn't think that was a real thing. All right, hold up. Ooh, do I have it in here though? Where I can use NG model and stuff like that. NG module. All right, cool. What is this? Hmm. What do the other ones look like? NGF. It takes up the entire screen? Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, that's not good. That's not user friendly. How would I really? How would I I've never heard of pi. All I want to do is just that. Uh, let's just do that. And why is that not uh, observable? Observable. Can I not just import observable? Dang. Yep. Wait, wait. This. Okay. What? I kind of don't want to do. Is it even possible to not do that? All right, fine. Oh, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here. Um, I kind of wasn't supposed to stream today, honestly, but I wanted to be consistent. I was about to say, Honey sounds familiar, but I didn't want to like call them out and be wrong if they were the people that did that scam. And even then, I don't really know all the details of the scam. I just knew it was like a big deal for like a week on YouTube, and I couldn't escape it. I never watched a YouTube a video on it, but like that dude with that thinks that he's a detective. That was basically his identity for like a week. Oh, import that. Property user does not exist on navbar. Oh, that does that right. Hmm. 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 Oh, oh, so really what I need to do is just that. Okay, let's read. Oh, no, be a little bit smarter. Hold up. Here. Okay, because it's creator centric unless you decide to support. Hmm. Hmm. I'll look into it. Is it YouTube specific, or can it be on Twitch as well? Like right now, there's issues with Twitch app. Okay, it's on Twitch too. Okay. So let me look at this. Now modify your template to use the observable. Cool. Show login? What is this? Oh, oh. So that's how you use the NGF. There, as an if else. This block shows when the user is logged in. User info. Is there anything in there right now? Why are you doing this? A comment node but found button. This needs to get um figured out. I need to close it. Yes, now. npm start. Please work. Because there isn't a button there anymore, so there's nothing really to worry about. Please work. Thank you. If I refresh, thank you. Wow, it was not that hard. There we go. It seems like they started a new scam. Uh-oh. Let's try that. All right, cool. It works. In here, does it have a class? User info? Okay, it looks better. Okay. I'm gonna leave this assigned in. Okay, so I basically have this ready. I don't have the guard on my routes though. Auth guard can activate, and the guard is this. Okay. So in my routes. Okay. Why is that? What's the problem with this? It's not assignable. What are you talking about? And the reason why I can't escape it is because it's probably the campaign budget is high. Yep. If you just throw money at something, yeah, they're gonna, yeah. You need to wrap it. Does that count as wrapping? Thank you. I didn't wrap it here. Oh, yes, I did. Sorry. What's the importance of wrapping it? Ooh. Ooh. You see that? That server side rendering? And now my app is broken. Also on the home, I need to make it so that that was cool though. I've never seen that before. But on the home, before I do a a what's that called? A push. Uh I may not get to I need to get to the storage today. So I'm gonna push through. Uh let's try to do this. What does this look like here? NG container. Let's try to put it in here. Um NG container. If welcome back. Let's do that. Okay. So what is this? There we go. What is this doing? Mm, Super. Oh no. I need to inject it. No. Wait. No. Thank you. Service equals. Thank you. Let's have an override modifier because the override's a member. Like, I'm confused. I like that. I just don't do that. Oh, but you need it here though, right? I was trying to clean up my code, but Angular likes things to be very specific. Pacific. So, yes, sir. Okay, not log out, sign out. No, don't force me to say that. There we go. I keep on forgetting to add. Actually, I added it. Hey, you update. There we go. Let me ask this to style it. Home. Now, the hard part. Because I'm going to do a git push on this. And then, oh, I still can't use it. Well, I may be able to. Because I'm going to do a git push on this home thing. Because what I just did was initialize the auth service. Then, I'm going to connect whatever I make with these entries, like note taking, into Firestore, the Firestore database, and then get that security right. And then after that, I have to make it live so that I'm able to use it like in real life. And I think that would put a close to what I'm doing. I think I may stop streaming whenever I finish the Firestore document stuff and just do the hosting stuff off stream. That may be what I do. Uh, uh, there we go. That's good enough. That does nothing. What is this? This does nothing. Um, this looks disgusting. Yuck. Hmm? Hmm? And if you don't put a Matt, put that on there. Thank you. Yeah, lock everything down. Yeah, yeah. Oh, not SOPs. Yeah. I just thought about something. Because it's going to be something that's like multiple people are going to be using this. I have to. I might just set up the site on Vercel and use ChatGPT. Yeah, that may be the best thing to do. Why would support not be answering? I'm gonna go ahead. What all did I do again? Enabled. Uh, is it fire? Is it Firestore off? Firebase off. Okay. Man, people are awakened in the U.S. We're awake. Black Cat is awake. Well, it's 9 o'clock here, but it's 10 o'clock where Black Cat is. Enabled. Firebase off. I'm just gonna keep on just listing out things that I did. It is. I'm wide awake. It will be for the next 4 hours. Speaking of, to lock in for this Firestore stuff, so they spent the entire day not responding. Man, I would sue. Anyways, to lock in for this. Oh, thank you, camera, for locking it on me. But to focus for this fire based stuff, I'm tempted to get another coffee. I've been live for about a couple hours, which I'm trying to camera. I'm trying to keep these streaming sessions shorter, because I'll just look up and then I'll would have been live for like 4 hours. So yeah, but I want something working by tomorrow. I need something to work by tomorrow. So I may just go ahead and pull it through. Hold up. That sounds like the best option. Wait a minute. I'm doing something completely wrong. This is public, and I'm about to make a very grave mistake by putting my Firebase credentials live here. Where's my get ignored? Cool. I don't think I did that yet. So, hmm. I think that's basically it. I think that's it. You okay? Okay. This is one amazing. Okay, this is why I opt towards YouTube Premium over other music services because Apple Music doesn't have this good of an algorithm and Spotify does not have this good of an algorithm. YouTube Music, one, has unreleased music because they have the archive of everything that's on YouTube. Two, their algorithm is just better and it's integrated with everything that I already watch on YouTube. So like I have no reason to go anywhere else. Like this is fine. Mm, I'll go ahead and commit it. All right. Oh, I'm hurt. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. I thought somewhere my stuff was exposed, but never mind. Probably is, but we ball. Let me mentally reset. Let me make some coffee. Um, what can I put on while I make coffee? Or I'll just do this. I'm still here. You can probably still hear me making coffee in the background, even though it's quite away from the microphone. But if chat wants to talk on the microphone, I'll leave it um on. So give me like 3 minutes. I'll be back. Yeah, sometimes. Okay, wait, hold up. I'll be back. Sometimes you just need to like mentally reset. If you're doing like an extended, I've noticed this. If I'm doing an extended like coding session, once I finish a feature, I need to get used to like getting up, walking around a little bit, and just like mentally resetting before I get back into like the coding mode. And I feel like with what I'm doing here is a perfect time to like mentally reset and everything. So yeah, yeah, I'll be back. Except just when you do a task instead of time. Yeah, because Pomodoro, I've used it before, but like I'm weird. Using Pomodoro, I'll look at the clock while I'm supposed to be focusing, and it does not work on me. I really just be looking at the clock the whole time. It's like, okay, I'm just on a time limit. Like I'm not focused at all. Like I'm more task based than anything. Like I'm super focused, and then when I'm not doing a task, I want to like mentally just be free. So yeah, yeah. But I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll leave my mic on. If come here, chat. Come here. Come here. Yes, good, cat. Good, good. All right, you talk to the people. I'll be back. You've been so good. I'll give you cat treats. Here. Okay, wait. I'm not back, but for some reason, if you, I read this artist's name very differently. I don't know if anybody's here paying attention to what I'm saying, but it says Broken Bells. I read something different. I'm going back on break. I'll be back. I was like, what am I listening to? Oh. How would I do this? I can't show these at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna finish up making coffee. I'll be right back. All right, it's time to lock in. I'm having an app for tomorrow. It's time to lock in. Okay, let's do this. All right. I kind of lost my place. Okay, so this does not cover the Firestore at all. Hold up. I should probably follow the GitHub docs if I want to do anything here. Um, where is that? Mm-mm-hmm. Already did that. Oh, I don't have a config in there, I don't think. This is what I'm eating on, by the way, to keep myself a little bit, you know. Almonds, raw almonds. The rawest of almonds. How about this? Because all I'm doing really is can I log in right here?
Where am I supposed to go for this? I want to close this out. Home don't need it. Really, what I'm going to be doing is this. What is this? Server routes. Oh, I haven't done any of that. I'll figure that out later. Um, so open all this stuff up because I'm gonna need it. No, not that. This. These are more important. So in here, I'll next inject into your component. Uh, private Firestore. What? Hmm. I wish this would like pop up consistently. Dang. Huh. That is not what I wanted to do. Inject is in what? Core? Cool. And then Firestore comes from that. This is really a good radio. Oh, it's a skin shape. Ooh, 2024. Skin shape has a new album? Oh, that's the best feeling when someone that you like has a new album you didn't even know. Do you have YouTube Music? Well, you have. Oh, that's Johnny that has premium. Oh, you have premium too. Okay, wait. Is it possible to just share this entire radio? This entire list? Really? I couldn't. I choose too much to have all of them. I need all of my data in one place. If you're gonna scrape all my data and sell all my data, you're gonna have to go to one place. The thing is, that problem is solved with YouTube. YouTube Music doesn't have a song that, or YouTube Music has all the songs that YouTube has. So I never have a problem with that. Spotify, I can see that being a problem. Okay, the only thing is SoundCloud. But people that use SoundCloud, by and large, well, yeah. The only thing would be SoundCloud and Bandcamp too. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you know music. I bet. All right, cool. Uh,
Those are the two that dang. R.I.P. that piff. Anyways, um, the last song that played was. Can I put that in Discord? I need to make a music channel actually. Let's do that right now, real quick. I wonder if I save this as a playlist and it keeps on playing, would the songs that get played after this get added to what's the day? 26? Let's do that. I'll share the link right here. Because they want money. That's why. They want your entire wallet. Does that work like that? Huh? It doesn't work like that. Really? Dang it. Oh wait. I have a whole app that I'm supposed to be building right now. That's an observable user. Sure, sure, sure. How about this? Okay. Really, I just need to be able to upload something. That's all I want to do right now. And then I'll handle like editing and like deleting later, like tomorrow. So for this is an observable for that user profile, users collections. Cool. Collection reference. Construct in my constructor. I should const notes please notes which hasn't been made yet, but this oh I wonder if that will work. That now
Collection data. This is writing, right? Oh, this is reading. What? Hold up. This isn't doing what I needed to do. I just saw myself sneeze. I'm ugly when I sneeze. Thank you. I'm hideous when I sneeze. Ah. I looked at myself. I was like, "What do I look like when I sneeze?" Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. I might as well make a new chat for this. Whenever I submit a daily entry, I don't know what to say. But the rest of this says what? I need to make what? Collection? I can do that. Here. Collection and add doc. Leave me alone. Is inject already here? Yes. Cool. I need to start refactoring some of this stuff too. Uh, this is that. I wish I could angle this differently. That's not. That. Okay. What changed? I can do that. It told me I couldn't. Private. That's probably why. Okay. So that's a thing. To write the form data to your Firestore collection upon submission, you'll need to modify the onSubmit method to be asynchronous. Bet. And use the add_doc method, a function from Firestore. I'll adjust your component to properly manage that. This is the entire try catch. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. I've been successfully submitted. The main part is this. And then put that in there and catch that error to be that. There's an error. I'm not gonna say try again later. Bu- 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 After a few seconds. This doesn't really clear it. This isn't accurate. But please fill out that. And that's it. That should be able to do it. Let's try it out. Hello world. I hate being a programmer. I really do. I just keep on doing this. I need to stop saying hello world. All right. That would work here? Goodbye. That's only in like Emmet. That's not gonna do anything. Where's my documents at? Where are my documents? And we have action. Oh, wait. Let me do this. Oh, this is a map. All right, cool. Okay. My plan in the future is going to be actually, I might as well do it now. I might as well do it now. I hate to do this. Just to keep on adding stuff on because I'm making good time, but it needs to happen. Like, say for example, like this is like a daily entry. Wait, let me talk this out with AI. I need to have a little powwow. Hold up. Oh crap! Can you still hear me? Oh, I thought I broke my entire setup. Oh, Black Cat. Ask Mr. Chicken. There was a time I used to have a worse microphone than this. Like no pop. Actually, I think I did have a pop filter, but it would always cut out. Like you came whenever I had came up. You came whenever I wasn't ramming two pennies together streaming wise. Even though I've never really rubbed two pennies together, but like my setup used to be a lot worse than this. Mr. Chicken knows. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And my camera will always cut out. Good times, good times. Back when I was at my house.
Dang. Hold up. Mm. I also don't think that you know me with hair. I just realized that now people that come into my stream aren't gonna know me from having long hair. It was a lot longer than that though. Huh. Let me ask AI this though. I want to be able to grr. Okay, it doesn't. Grr. Hello? Growl. Cool. I want to be able to only submit one daily entry per day and to continuously add notes throughout the day. I'd like to be able to check that I'm not duplicating daily entries per day. Also, whenever I add a note to a daily entry, I'd like a timestamp for when I added that note to the daily entry. I'm a terrible prompter. Like truly, I need to work on that. Yuck. Hello? I wish I could like retroactively add context to this. I'm at the point now. I'm gonna vibe code this whole thing. Mm, yes, that's why I was late to streaming yesterday, but I haven't used it yet. I was really just seeing other people's like reactions to it or whatever. I saw it though. I saw it, but I want to use it, but I don't know how to. Oh, you give yourself like detox periods from AI? That's cool. I heard that even though like Gemini CLI just now came out, Claude Code is still better, but it's Google, so like when it first drops, it's probably going to be terrible. But they keep on making improvements. So yeah, yeah, yeah. The thing is, whenever like Anthropic drops a model, it's just good on day one, like state of the art on day one. But like when Google releases something, it's like terrible day one, not terrible, but like average day one. But then it just keeps on getting better and better and better over time, which I appreciate. They don't give up on things, even though that whole kill by Google thing is real. But in 2025, I think they iterate on things better. I'm waiting for Google text diffusion models to drop. I have so many applications. Oh,
I'm not familiar with that though. Diffusion. Really? Like you wouldn't be able to use that in the prototyping tool in a Firebase Studio where everything is generated in parallel but in text. So basically, like Lovable, you mean? Oh, whoops. Let's do that. Let's actually make a new. So that doesn't do it. But then, okay, instead of doing that, no, those are transformer models. Only Google in this random company. Oh, cool. But they just have Google just hasn't released it yet. And it's not Gemma, is it? I'd also like to be able to display the previous notes that have been added to a daily entry and be able to remove them if I need to. I'm still in beta at the moment. Wait. It's this though, right? Oh my gosh. Wait, I missed something. Hold up. Can't you do that though? You can do that already. You can do this in a couple places. Are you familiar with this? You can do that here. You can do that in fire. You can do that here. Get started. Hold up. Or you can just like no transformer models go by token.
or even faster. Oh, oh, other. Huh. Okay. Learn something new. Thank you. Like, notice it's like generating the full text and modifying it in the videos. Let me see. You mean while it's doing like the thinking things while streaming transformer models reads it as it writes? Is this still an LLM or is this an LCM or is this a different type of to display previous notes, you'll need to update both your component logic. Okay. Existing notes. Array remove. What? Existing note. Note to remove this one. Array to remove. That's weird. I've never seen that before. Check for existing entry today. It's not an LLM. Those are transformer models. It's closer to an image generation. Image generation doesn't use an LLM. Hmm. Are auto-regressive, predicting the next token. Diffusion models are iterative. Refine noise into. But the noise would be a token, right? If I'm understanding that correctly. Let's go here. This isn't doing it. Wait a minute. Not really the same kind. I'm not extremely technical, so I can't precisely answer how it's not the same, but token is like a specific set of text while noise is purely random, I think. So LLM is using precise text to predict the next one. Diffusion is taking random finished text and refining it. Is that more efficient though? Or excuse me, more costly currently? In terms of intelligence, probably not. Speed, yes. Huh. Okay. Hmm.
I'm thinking about that. That's crazy. Huh. Wait. Hello? I want to speak. Why are you not letting me speak? Thank you. Because it's reading previous notes that I've taken in my daily entry, I'd like to be able to display them on my daily entry page and be able to remove them from the Firestore document on the daily entry page. Can you please make that happen? It makes sense for image generation to refine randomness into, yeah, yeah. That images make sense because like you have to like do different things like in a pixel like per pixel, but I never thought about that kind of paradigm for text. And for that kind of paradigm to like exist, would that then replace token based models? Or with diffusion, would that cause more hallucinations? Yes, I'd like to do that. What changed? What changed? Nothing changed. So this is just what? All right. All right. Thanks, Gemini. Wait a minute. That's different. Huh? But if I do that, okay. But if I go back, oh no, I can't go back. Okay. Now all I need to do really is just to style it, and I should be good. I should be good. Hey, congratulations, congratulations. And as you're pushing your first version, I'll be pushing my last, not my last version, but like for today, my last version. I think I'm basically done. I'm thinking best case is diffusion being used as a step in reasoning. So it has multiple finished ideas to work with in parallel before giving you actual smart answers with an LLM. Hmm. Hmm. That's insane. Whoa. Oh, that's insane to think about. Why? Something's wrong in here. Note display. What's that? Space between. What does that HTML look like? Small. Note meta. Is that possible to do that? It's not doing that. Okay. E- Huh. Interesting. So I'm gonna do that. Zero. Let's do 4. 8. Let's do 8. Or I really could just center all this stuff. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Because if I do a whole bunch of this and I submit it, oops. Hmm? If I refresh this page, all this goes away? Hold up. Mm-mm. When I refresh the page, the daily entry that I'm working in goes away. How can I bring up the document that I made today, regardless if I refresh the page or not? All I have to do is. You know how many times I said it shouldn't take too long, and then I spent the next 6 hours like, what? That's probably like famous last words before you just get gray hair. Actually, saying that it shouldn't take that long is jinxing it and probably guaranteeing you that it's going to take forever. I did that whenever I was rebasing the project from React to Angular. I did that yesterday, saying that stuff shouldn't take too long. New rule: never say that things shouldn't take too long because they always take too long. Oh, mm-mm-mm. Of course, this behavior you're describing, losing your work on page refresh, is exactly why applications need to fetch their state. Peak vibe coding. All right. This is garbage. What changed in here? Actually, maybe it already is doing this. No, let's try it. It's already perfectly set up to display it. Okay. What? Man. So it did it, but every time I refresh this, it's going away. Huh? Let me stop this again. Do it again. Oh, it's just taking a long time. Maybe. Hold on. Wait. No. No, 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 no. Let me show you what's happening. You see this? This is on refresh, right? So it's already pulled it. What I need to do is just hit this and then click out. No, I don't want to do that. It's acting weird. Of course, this is a common issue in Angular when dealing with asynchronous operations that happen outside of Angular's direct control. The data is being fetched correctly, but Angular's change detection isn't automatically triggered to update the view. To fix this, we can manually tell Angular to check for changes and update the display. What change? By injecting change detection ref and calling detect changes. After you fetch the data, you ensure that the components used are updated immediately. Okay. Is this the only thing? CDR. Hmm. Cool. Okay. Oh, cool. I didn't know that was a thing, but that's cool. What if I try to do this? It works, and it's removed from there. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh yeah. Sorry for headphone users. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm on a piece right now. Oh yeah. I'm on my. Wait. It looks decent, but um, I uh, I am going to get off and just do the. Oh wait. Can you optimize? Well, it looks good. It looks good. Any mm, that can be improved. Do 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 do. This is in here. Nah. Okay. I'm looking at this YouTube playlist. I'm gonna update it. I'm gonna skip the duplicates. Cause this is just nothing but bangers. Of course, your code is functional, but it can be optimized to be more efficient and responsive by using real-time data listeners instead of manually fetching it. This will also improve type safety and make the code cleaner. Oh, I have an interface too. Whoa. How long is this right now? Oh, this is too long. All that could be done? That's insane. And I don't even have to touch the HTML. Summary of improvement, real-time updates, switch from get docs to on snapshot. Your today's notes will now update automatically whenever. Oh, okay. Efficiency. Remove redundant calls like this from the on submit and remove existing notes. Now handles all that. Type safety. Introduce a interface to strongly type your existing notes array. Implemented ng on destroy. I've seen on destroy before. I just it happens. It happens. To unsubscribe describe when the component is no longer on the screen. Ooh, okay. So that's one thing that I had a problem with in my React apps. Like sometimes, like the or the memory usage, like for each tab, will just go up and up and up over time, and I didn't know how to stop that. But now I know that that's a memory leak. But uh, uh, what is this called? Angular. See, I need to go to bed. But Angular has that innately. That's pretty cool. Code style updated the u updated to use the inject function for all dependencies, which is the modern recommended approach in Angular. How many injects are there? Oh, oh, okay. And now sorted by timestamp, ensuring. Okay, let's do that. Stop doing that over there. So wait, this went from being, what is this? A 224 line file to being 187. And that's not even when I'm refactoring things into components. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So this keeps on defaulting back to this. I don't have anything in here. Okay, so it doesn't do that. Submit does that. Okay, this works. This works. I'm okay with this. How much does, this is a lot more. I've never heard them miss like this. This is a miss. This sounds terrible. It sounds like, what am I listening to? Oh, it's a new album, so I'll give them a pass. No, that was disgusting. Um, I'll go ahead and push all this stuff. Uh, what is AI gonna say about this? Integration for existing nodes management and enhance. But what did I do? Basically, what I did, pulled all that stuff. That's basically what I did. I'm committing. Now from here, I paused. Am I good now? Okay. Okay. Oh. Well, with that being said, I'm probably getting off. I have a functioning app. All I gotta do is just make it live now. And we should be good. Um Now I can just start iterating on stuff. And then the next thing, Firebase hosting. And then that, like the rest of this would be right here at this URL. But really, it's Firebase hosting. Let me see. Let me see.
hosting right here. Yeah. Do I already have that in my? Oh, I'll figure out the hosting stuff off stream. But yeah, I use Firebase hosting. But it was fun, productive. I got everything that was on my thumbnail fixed, done. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'll figure it out before I go to bed today. But probably just make everything more secure. Firebase is good. Huge day. Huge productive day. I couldn't do it without y'all. I really couldn't. Y'all provided me so much moral support and good vibes and everything. So yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I don't know why zooming in when I'm being um like all sappy and warm and everything, but thank you. Uh I'll no, no, not scripted at all. No, 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 no. My hands are free. No. Oh, wait. Well, okay, when I'm being funny, you want to zoom out. All right, cool. I'm getting off. Uh, thank y'all for watching. Right. All right, so man, points. So yeah, it is cool. It is cool. It's very user friendly, beginner friendly, and everything. So that's how I learned how to do like cloud stuff, and I'm still learning. So I highly recommend it. But yeah, I'm getting off. Peace. Balloons.